Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So here again, WengAJ Tacos. At kung ikaw ay di pa nakasubscribe, let's do this. Please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you! Today's recipes, gagawa ko ng popcorn prawns or shrimp. So ayan guys, unahin ko ang ating breadcrumbs. Ayan. At lagyan natin ng garlic powder. Ayan. Anyway guys, lahat ng ingredients ilalagay ko sa description box below para alam niyo. Then next is onion powder, black pepper, and of course, hindi mawawala ang ating salt. So, ayan. So, i-mix lang natin ito. Ayan. Just mix all together. And please, set aside. And here are the rest of our ingredients. So we have an egg wash, flour with pepper, salt, and sprinkle of chili, but optional is the chili. Okay, so i-mix lang natin yan. And we have here prawns. So nagpainit ako ng 3 cups of cooking oil. Ayan. So first thing na gawin natin is yung prawn, we have to coat it into the flour, then dip into the egg wash, and next is the breadcrumbs. Ayan. So ganun lang kadali guys, and do same thing to the rest of our prawns hanggang matapos ninyo lahat. Ayan. So again, coated in the flour. Next is egg wash and the breadcrumbs mixture. So ganun lang kadali guys ang ating recipe for today. So we called it popcorn shrimp. So ayan. So very simple, right? Okay, so it's ready now for frying. So, ayan guys. So, i-deep fry lang natin ito hanggang magiging golden brown or nakikita natin siya na naging crispy at luto na yung ating prawns. So, kailangan mainit yung mantika natin. Ayan. Ihulog lang natin sa kumukulong mantika. Sa mainit na mantika, I should say, ang ating mga prawns. Ayan. So, napagandali guys. Lutuin to. At napaka-simpleng ang mga procedures. Ayan. So, ganyan lang kabilis. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. See you again next time. Bye.